Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from toddytalkscrafts.com. For weeks and weeks now, I've been working on sweet dream snails to make on the Lucet. They are sweet dream snails are for comfort and emotional support. And they are, like I said, made on the Lucet. I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel that will show you exactly how to make these wonderful upcycled chopstick Lucets. Oh, they're great to work with. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about these wonderful little Sweet Dreams snails. They are, they're like a fidget in a way. They're a pocket comfort, cuddly, emotional support, little lovable offering. And I've been dreaming about these lovely little snails that live in the liminal spaces, the dappled and speckled spaces, where the light shines through to the forest floor, but there's shadows there too, so that you see that every life that's well lived in love does come upon shadow at time. And the Sweet Dream snails are there to help guide us through those shadowy times and to celebrate with us during the joyful times. And so that is why I've been having the most wonderful time blending all kinds of colors to make quite thick cords to make the Sweet Dream snails. And it gives you an opportunity to put together different colors of yarns and thicknesses and threads, to add color and color changes and glitter if you want, and just to have your imagination go wild in creating delightful color combinations to make your wonderful little snails. And of course, that nowadays, with the banana being the way we show scale, here is a banana. The comfort snails are about, they fit nicely in the palm of your hand or in your bag or pocket, and they are about 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches long, and every face is different. You know, that I show in the pattern for them is in my Etsy shop, and I show how to make the faces and to make, how on earth do you do the antenna? Well, I show you how. Now, you don't see it, but you can feel it in there. Every single one of the emotional support snails has a lucky penny in it, because after all, that's what we want to wish for ourselves and everyone. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be just having the best of good luck. May you be free from pain, may you be free from suffering, may just all good things flow through you and to you and from you. And so the pattern is in my Etsy shop, and the tutorial for making the wonderful Lucets. I'm pointing like crazy over here, but not showing the pattern for the Lucets. YouTube, on my channel. And I do hope that you will have wonderful sweet dreams, and that we will all be experiencing emotional support. I was, while watching the whole Artemis mission, I was working away on my Lucets, working on these Sweet Dreams snails, and it's interesting because that really, you know, they are about sweet dreams. They showed up in my dreams a lot, and one of the things that came up in my dreams was that the Artemis mission has taken us to the moon and back with love and mirrored love back to us. And it also has said to us too that we are stardust, and that's why there are hearts for love and the stars to remind us that we are stardust. So may the stardust light your way home, and may love also light your way, and kindness, of course. So and joy, and wishing you all good things, of course. Good luck, good happiness. Talk to you soon.